Are you overwhelmed? Is work-life balance a problem? Are you stuck trying to figure out what to do to grow your small business? Or are you just afraid or feeling alone? The secret to overcoming it all is a strong foundation.
My name's Aaron Montgomery. I'm the author of the Fundamentals of Business Success book, and I'm invested in helping people work on their businesses, not just in them. The fundamentals are essential for lasting, fulfilling success.
Think of the fundamentals like a treasure map with special tools. It shows you where to go so you don't get lost, saving you time and money. This foundation is your plan and your belief system that keeps you going. It's about taking small, consistent steps every day, building up over time to reach your goals.
You might be searching for success without knowing where to start, but we know this foundation works. Aaron is here to guide you in creating your own treasure map. We are ready to invest in you. Are you ready to invest in yourself?
Sign up today for this one-of-a-kind live event. You will leave with a clear purpose, strategies to achieve your goals, a custom action plan, time management mastery, and the courage to conquer fear. Are you ready to invest in yourself? You deserve the support your business needs.
Sign up now for one of the limited number of seats.